Hi everyone, this is a quick video, a how-to video to show you how to use Loom to record your webcam and a presentation. This is the Loom software which I've already installed on my laptop, and the window is quite small. It's a little box here that appears in front of my PowerPoint presentation. I'm just going to turn my webcam off now and talk you through the steps for how to set this up. So we can see the Loom window. At the moment we've got a choice of webcam and a choice of microphone. I'm going to select my USB webcam, and now you can see the picture from that USB webcam in this little circle here, which is provided by Loom. And you can also select a microphone. I've got a number of microphones attached to my laptop. I'm going to use the one that's built into my webcam. There are three different modes of capture: your screen plus the webcam, just the screen, or just the webcam. And today we're going to be using this option, the screen plus the webcam. To start recording, all you need to do is hit this start recording button. So let's do that. And now we have the option of recording different screens. So if you've got multiple screens set up, you need to select which screen you want to capture from. I happen to have 3 screens. I'm going to capture from my main screen, which is this one. So I'm going to click here, and Loom begins a countdown. 3, 2, 1, and now we're recording. So this is all being filmed. Importantly, Loom doesn't record directly to your laptop or directly to a hard drive physically connected to your laptop or computer. It's recording directly to the cloud. So Loom does require a decent internet connection to make a good recording. I'm going to start my PowerPoint presentation now by clicking the slideshow button. Now we can see the PowerPoint is full screen, and you can see a little inset image of me here in the bottom left. Loom allows you to make your inset image a little bit bigger. So I click on this large circle option, and now I'm a larger kind of image inside my presentation. It's possible to move the webcam capture around the screen, so depending on how you've set up your slides, you might have a natural gap that usually appears in one corner, or you can kind of dynamically move yourself around when necessary, or just keep yourself as a small circle and have yourself in the top right hand side of the screen. I can click through my presentation just like I would normally, and all of the animations that you might have in your PowerPoint, like these, are recorded quite well by Loom. And it's also possible to have your embedded videos being recorded as well. So this is a little video from the International Space Station that I have at the start of my lecture on Earth's energy balance. But that's not particularly important. I keep clicking through, and as you can see, it's capturing the screen quite nicely. It's possible to make your webcam full screen, so this is useful if you want to kind of elaborate on a topic and you don't need the presentation slides, and your viewers can focus on you and your body language and your hand gestures. And it's quite easy to return then to the small inset picture, or even smaller. A little word of warning: if you do remove your image altogether, it's not possible to get it back in that recording, unfortunately. So be careful by clicking this X box, because you can't get the webcam image back up again. So that's it. I'm going to stop my recording here by clicking the stop button. Once I've done that, it takes us automatically to the Loom website. Now this is where your recording has now been posted. It's not publicly available. You can share a link to your recording, or you can download your recording using this download button here. It's not working right now because it takes a little while for the recording to be processed by Loom. There are a couple of useful tools available on the Loom website. The first one of these is the trim tool. If I click on trimming, I'll be able to trim the start of my video. When I started recording, I hadn't quite begun my presentation. You could see my desktop, you could see which windows were open, and my taskbar. Maybe I want to remove that because I don't want my students to see that. Click the start trimming button, and I can remove the first kind of 20 seconds of the video until until my PowerPoint presentation begins. There we go, the preview is updated. This is roughly where my presentation starts. So I can click remove, publish changes, and the video updates without the first kind of 25 seconds or so. As you can see here, that takes a little bit of time to process the video on the Loom website. But once it's processed, you should see in a few seconds, hopefully, the new video, which begins at the start of the presentation. Now, the final thing that's very useful is the download button. It's ready now to be downloaded, so I could click on this, download the video to my laptop, and then that video is available to be uploaded to Echo 360 if you wish. You could put the video on YouTube, or you can share the video directly with your students, put it on Moodle. Plenty of options once you've downloaded this to your computer. So if I click play now, right from the start, we've got the start of my presentation. So that is Loom.